Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. My name is Ernest. I'm one of the team members here. Today we're going to go over a live day trade. Many of you see our live trades on our social media accounts such as YouTube and Instagram. But today we're going to give you an overall of how a professional day trader sits at their platform and decides to execute a trade. Right here you look and see that we have multiple charts. And how do you decide what stock you want to actually trade? So as we look here, we have Facebook up here, we have Apple, BABA, INCY. We decide to short INCY. And the reason why, because we visually see that there's a lot of selling pressure going on, and we anticipate the movement to go lower. So when you short a stock, you anticipate the price to go lower and you capitalize in between. As you see the red dots, we are in this position. So as professional traders, we like to add to the position when we anticipate it going even lower. So when you see these red dots, we're adding more and more share sizes. So think of the same way. If a stock price is going higher, you're buying more and you're buying more to increase once it goes higher. We're doing the same thing vice versa. We are shorting more and shorting more, anticipating the price to go lower. So when you see us making profits, maybe 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 in a couple of minutes, we're anticipating a nice movement. As you see here so far, we're shorting 2,000 shares. You may say that requires a lot of capital. Yes, it does, but at the same time, it doesn't matter if you're trading 100 shares or 1,000 shares, right? You're going to trade the same way. And this is what we teach our students. As a professional trader, you build confidence in order to expose more capital in the market. Now, I didn't say lose, expose more capital in the market in order to get higher returns. So in a stock like this, as you see, we sold majority of the position and we're locking in about $1,400 within 4 minutes. And this is what we do at theprofitroom.com. We teach individuals no matter what market that you're trading, stocks, options, futures, even crypto, it's all based off of the technical charts. As you look at the charts, you see a lot of stuff moving around and we're able to get in the market and get out safely, all in controlled movement. So if you want to learn how to control your finances or learn how to trade like this, no matter what market, come over to theprofitroom.com and we can show you how. As always, get educated and trade safe.